So yes, the next concept in correlation and regression is rank correlation. So we'll see the definition of rank correlation, and then we'll go for the problems. So I have shared the screen. So problems I will on the video, and then we'll go to the problem. So here we have rank correlation. So what is rank correlation means? So see, or when to use this rank correlation? In the name itself, it is there. So rank correlation is nothing but, so the variable, two independent variable will be there like x and y. So it is the correlation between the ranks of two particular data. Okay. So previously what we have seen, so we have seen some marks and we have done, so the data they have given and we use, but in the data they have used rank here. Okay. So that rank correlation between data x and y is known as rank correlation. So here I'll show you when to use this rank correlation and why it is so. See, this data of finding coefficient of rank correlation using this, so it shows the strength of relation between two set of data. So it shows what is the strength between the two data of having rank. So suppose I can give an example. So in one subject, okay, an individual in one subject, he scored some marks. In their class, his rank is number two. So similarly, himself itself in other subject, he scored, yeah, he scored some marks and he got sixth rank. So comparatively, in one subject he scored, in one subject he got second rank, in another subject he scored sixth rank. Like that, we have several ordinal individuals will be there. Like that variable we can express. So similarly, the two subjects, x subject and y subject, so an individual. So this is person one, person two, so like that person three, so like that, so on. This correlation between the, or covariation between the two subjects with representation of rank is known as rank correlation. I will show you the main definition also. See here, the coefficient of correlation in respect of rank. So previously we have seen coefficient of correlation between the separate data, but not for rank. So if you go for rank, that is called rank correlation. So when we will use rank correlation, those who scored more marks in a classroom in that particular subject. So if he scored more than so if he scored like 98 means, so he is the highest means. So the rank number is one. So if he score another person, if he score 90, 91, so like that means his himself is rank two. Correct. So like that, so on. So descending order we need to take. So ascending order we need to provide rank for the student. So yeah. So here the coefficient of correlation in respect of rank, so of some two characteristics of an individual or an observation is called rank correlation coefficient. So usually it is denoted by rho is equal to 1 minus 6 times summation x minus y whole square, difference of x on y. That means d square divided by n into n square minus 1. So this is called statistics of some uh, non, I think something I will get. One second, I'll tell what is that particular sentence. Yeah. So same thing, ranks of different variables. So it is a relationship between ranks of different variables or different ranking of same variable. So ranking of different variable or different ranking of same variable. It's okay. So that is the formula we have already. So, so this is the formula. What is this? D means D is nothing but difference of x and y, and n is nothing but, as you know already, number of entries in the data. So we'll go for first question. So listen carefully. The first question is like this. There are 10 competitors. First question. There are 10 competitors in a beauty contest are ranked by two judges are ranked by two judges in a in the following order. Okay, in the following order. So what we need to find? See, they have given rank itself. If they're not given rank, means we need to find rank. So since they have given rank itself, those directly we can do. So compute the coefficient of rank correlation. Okay, so we need to find coefficient of rank correlation here. So the data is like this. So there are two judges. So first judge and second judge. So 1, 6, 5, 3, 10, 2, 4, 9, 7, 8. Similarly, another person given for the same individual itself. Second judge given rank 6 for him, and for second participant he given rank 4. So similarly, rank 8. So there are 10. So out of scale 10 only, they need to provide rank. So like that they have given. So now we'll go for solution. So here we need to find rank correlation coefficient now. See, let us take I as x. I mean first part as Roman number 1 as x and Roman number 2 as y. So we all know d is nothing but x minus y. So because we have rho as the formula. So 1 minus 6 times of summation d square over n into n square minus 1. As you know very well, let us take it as equation number 1. So n is number of entries. So there are 10 participants. So n is equal to 10. So what we need? We need summation of d square. Okay, for that we need to construct a table. So first we'll write x, then we'll write y, and then we'll write d. So that is x minus y, and then d square. Correct? What is x? 1, 6, 5, 3, 10, 2, 4, 9, 7, 8. Similarly, 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5, 7. And d, so 1 minus 6. So just the difference we need to take 1 minus 6 minus 1. 6 minus 4 is 2, 5 minus 9 is minus 4, 3 minus 8 is minus 5. 10 minus 1, 9, 2 minus 2, 0, 4 minus 3, 1, 9 minus 10, minus 1, 7 minus 5 is 2, 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay. So d square, so minus 4 whole square, 25, 4, 16, 25, 81, 0, 1, 1, 4 and 1. So just add it and give me the value. Fast. Add it. So that we'll get summation d square as. Fast. So after getting this value, we need to substitute this in equation number 1. Okay. So in the above equation itself. So that rho will be equal to 1 minus 6 times. Yeah, fast. Anybody? Summation d square. Just add it and give me the value. 25 plus 4 plus 16 plus 25 plus 81 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1. See, everyone should take the scientific calculus to solve this.
158, sir.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ಲರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
158. So similarly, so when you substitute in the above equation, so we get 1 minus 6 into 158 over n we know already. So 10 into, so 10 square, that is 100, 400 minus 1. So just do it this fast. So rho equals what? 1 minus 6 into 158 divided by 9 into 100 minus 100 minus 199. 99 is 10, 990. 2 over 990. So what will be rho? First,
so 0.9575.
0.9575. So check again. That is wrong.
1 minute, sir.
You need to take bracket, man. That is very, very important.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here you need to put division symbol and again. So just 990 instead of like this. So just put 990 and close the bracket. 6 into 158 divided by 990, close the bracket of 190.
0.042, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
0.042.
0.042.
Correct. So this is our answer. We'll go for next question. So any doubt means you can ask. Just rank itself they have given. See, in the next question we will see when the rank is not given. So how to find rank? So that we'll see now. So 10 students get the following percentage of marks in two subjects X and Y. Then compute their rank correlation coefficient. So then compute their rank correlation coefficient. Okay. So very important. See what is the data they have given. I'll write first. So first they have given. So directly I'll go for solution. So marks in X they have given. So the marks will be like this: 78, 36, 98, 25, 75, 82, 90, 62, 65, and 39. So this is the data of X. So we are finding correlation between the ranks. So we need rank in X. So rank of X we need. Okay. Next, one more data they have given. So that is marks in Y. So that means second subject. So we got marks as 84, so 51, 91, 60, 68, 62, 86, 58, 53, and 47. Okay. So this we have. So finding rank is interesting one here. See here, for the highest marks, we need to provide rank number 1, correct? For the highest marks, we need to provide rank number 1. So here, who scored highest marks? See here, 98 is the highest percentage in the subject. So the rank is 1. Okay. Similarly, next to 98, there is in 99, so there is no 9 at all. So there will be 8. So 82, so that is 2. And next 80
Sir,
is there.
90
No,
ಇದೆ sir.
79.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, 90
90.
is there, so that is rank number 2. So next it is 82, so that is rank number 3. Correct. So similarly, next to 82, that is 78, so that is rank number 4. Next, so this we need to check in a descending order. This will give for ascending order. So 1, 2, 3. This is lesser to more. Sorry, more to less. So 98, so 78 over next.
75.
Yes, that is rank number 5. Next,
65, sir.
5. Yeah, correct. So it is rank number 6. Next,
62.
correct. Next, 36, 25, 39. So it is
39, sir.
39. Yeah, 8.
36.
Next, 36. And next one more remaining, that is 10. Similarly, rank in Y. The rank of Y. Which one? 91. Yeah, this is the one. So next, rank number 2. Which number?
86.
Next,
84.
next others. Let others can try now. Hemant.
Sir, 68, sir.
8. Okay. 4. Next,
62, sir.
60, sir.
next,
ಸರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ಲರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಏನ್ ಬರ್ರಾಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಈಗ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. 58 ಸರ್.
58. So rank number 7.
53.
53.
No? Yeah,
51.
This is 9 and this is 10.
47.
Correct. So next we'll go for D. So that is difference. 4 minus 3, 1, 0, 0, 4, 5 minus 4, 1, 3 minus 5, minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 0, 6 minus 8, minus 2, 8 minus 10, minus. So then D square we need 1, 0, 0, 4 square 16, 1, 4, 0, 0, 4 and 4. Yeah, add it fast. Very quick, you can add it.
30, sir.
Yes. Is 30. And number of participants are 10. Correct? There are 10 students. Now substitute in the formula. We got summation D square and N. So solve it and give me the final value. So we know rho equals 1 minus 6 times summation D square divided by N into N square minus 1. So 1 minus 6 into 30 divided by 10 into 10 square minus 1. Yeah. Very fast. This implies rho equals
0.818, sir.
yes, 0.818. So that is our answer. See, so this is our answer. This finished your question. See the marks now. I'll give a hint now. See, the marks are not at all repeated. So it is easy to find a rank. So when it is repeated, what we need to do, what formula we need to apply. Okay, when the marks is suppose he got 98. So one more person 98 means, so what rank you going to give for both of them? So if it is 1 means we can't give like that. Then what is the procedure we need to follow? We'll see it now in another question. So only in the repeated cases, if the rank is repeated, so what we need to do? So in repeated cases, so this is very important problem. So listen carefully. So in repeated cases, the formula for rank is 1 minus 6 into 6 times of summation D square plus M into M square minus 1 divided by 12 plus so on, close the bracket, divided by N into N square minus 1. What is this M? M is nothing but number of times repeated, number of times repeated rank. Okay, number of times repeated rank. That I'll show you. One problem I'll do so that you'll get an idea. Okay, Hemant, turn on your audio, man. Sorry, turn off, man. Okay. So we'll go for third one. So compute the rank correlation coefficient for following data. Okay. So directly I'll go for solution, which I take X. Okay. X they have given 68, 64, 75, 50, 64, 80, 75, 40, 55 and 64. So this is X. Then we need rank in X. So rank of X we need. Next. So similarly Y also they have given. So instead of writing 2 times I wrote at once. So in red pen what I wrote that is in the question. So 62, 58, 68, 45, 81, 60, 68, 48, 50 and 70. Then we need rank in Y, then D, you know, and then D square. Yeah. So we'll go for rank. So who scored highest?
80.
80. So he is 1. Then next to 80.
75 2 times is there, sir.
Yes. So here and here. So in X, 75 is repeated for rank number 2 and 3. Correct. So that is number of times, that is m is equal to 2. We'll take number of times as m, no, so that is 2. So here m is equal to 2. But main thing is what rank we need to take means we need to take average of those two ranks. So that is 2 plus 3 over 2 times. How many times? 2 times. So which rank? 2 and 3. So 5 by 2. So it is 2.5. So now what is the rank you should give for both of them? Means you should give 2.5 rank for both of them. So this is the rank we can give for both of them. Okay. So similarly, next. So 3 is over. Next is 4. What is the fourth rank?
68, sir.
68. Yeah, correct. So this is for next 5.
64 2 times.
Yes, here also 64. Here also 64. And then here also 64. So how many times it is there? 3 times.
times, sir.
What is the rank for them? 5, 6, 7. So again in X, 64 is repeated for rank 5, 6, 7. That is 3 times. So m is equal to 3 we need to take. Okay. M is equal to 3. So what is the rank we need to take means 5 plus 6 plus 7 over 3. Correct. So average we need to take.
6.
So 11 plus 7, 18.
18
Correct.
divided by 3.
So 18 by 3. So 6. So for 3 of them, we need to give rank as 6 itself. So here also 6, here also 6, and here also 6. Next, 7 is over. Next we go for 8. Yeah, 8th rank. Who will get?
55, sir.
55. Yes, correct. Next, 9th rank, 50. Correct. Yes, 9. And he is 10. He is 9. Yes. So rank X is over. Next we'll go for Y. So what we'll get for Y? The highest number, yeah, 81. Correct. So this is the rank 1. Next, rank 2.
70, sir.
Next, rank 3.
68.
68 twice, sir.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Twice it is there, so M is equal to 2. So in Y, 68, 68 is repeated for rank 3 and 4. That is how many times? 2 times. So M is equal to 2 we need to take. M is equal to 2. Therefore, rank we should give for all those 2 members as 3 plus 4 divided by 2. So it is 7 by 2. So it is 3.5 we should give for both of them. Next. 2 is the correct. So next rank is 5. Then 6th rank.
60, sir.
7.
58, sir.
38 and 45, 48, 9 and 10. Correct.
10.
So we'll go for difference. 4 minus 5. Minus 1, 6 minus 7. Minus 1, 2.5 minus 8. Again minus 1. Minus 10. Again minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5. 1 minus 6 minus 5. Yeah, minus 1, 10 minus 1, just 1, 8 minus 8, 0, 0, 6 minus 2, 4. Then d square 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 25 plus 25, 1, 1, 0, and 6. So when you add it, summation d square will be what?
72, sir.
72. So now we'll write the formula. So rho equals 1 minus 6 times of summation d square plus m into m square minus 1 divided by 2 again so on, close the bracket, whole divided by n into n square minus 1. So again I wrote so on. So how many times we need to take? See here, this is for 1, this is for 2, so 1, 2, 6. So for all these 3, we need to repeat this part again. So I'll write and show. So that equals 1 minus 6 times of summation d square is so summation d square is 72. 72 plus m into, so first one is 2. So 2 into 2 square 4, 4 minus 1 divided by 12. Plus again next one is 3. 3 into 3 square 9, 9 minus 1 divided by 12. Plus next one is 2. So again 2 into 4 minus 1 divided by 12, close the bracket, whole divided by n into, that is, we need 10, right? So 10 into 100 minus 1. Yeah, do it fast and give me the final value. Okay. Everybody should do. Do it fast. First is
0.5454, sir.
yes, correct. 0.545 So 2 more derivations are there. That we'll do in next class. So stop the recording. So up to now, those who have any doubts. So in the repeating also you can ask. So in this repeating sense, if you have any doubts, you can ask. No doubts. Others,
Summation D, sir.
Attendance அடங்குற மாதிரி இது பாரு.
so stop the recording. Hey,
இந்த
Kanna,
question
Raj Kanna.
Sir.
இதெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணுங்க?
Sir.
ஒண்ணும் இல்லப்பா. நீ பேசு நீ.
சாரி சார்.
Okay, yes, stop the recording, man.